I believe it's Jeff's son. And she was like, what about 3Rs? And I'm like, that's so weird. We're looking at them and I'm like, okay, let's give them a call. And then out of the 2 bids and the people we met, that's who we ended up liking and went with. Everything kind of moved a lot smoother than I anticipated. I was just kind of like, everyone was like, they say it'll take this long, but it's gonna be this much longer. And it stayed on schedule for the most part. There was a kind of little change of dates here, but it was like, we still ended on the day that we expected to end on. And so that was really nice. Going through the remodel, that was, I think, my favorite thing was just like, to be able to get it all done when we expected to get it done and so smoothly. That was the best part, I think. Adam really stood out to us, the way that, like, I always felt like I ask a lot of questions and I always I get into a lot of details. He was always super patient with me and explained everything really thoroughly. They always would say hi, they talked to the kids. It was like, it never felt super sterile. Yeah, they felt like it was like awkward having people in your house, but like we recognized the same faces that were always coming over, and it was like always the same few guys. And that was nice. The kids like knew who they were, and it was as comfortable as like you can make this weird thing be. But yeah, they always communicated and were really friendly and helpful. They made sure, like, even with like detail of like coming and making sure certain paint touches were correct, like those were even things I didn't notice. They were like, nope, we need this a little bit different or a little bit better. When we had a question about one of the windows, Adam got up on the ladder, remeasured everything, no problem. So I just felt like our concerns or needs or input always were heard, and they always went above and beyond to explain them to us and help us understand the process. I would recommend 3Rs to people that like friends or family that are interested in remodeling, for again, their friendliness, their communication, and their thoroughness. I couldn't have been happier with the situation. It was a lot with all 5 kids, but the guys from 3Rs always were friendly and nice and quick and efficient, and we got done, and it was as less painful as I think it could probably be. I've heard some horror stories, and this was not any of that.